How to create poll on Telegram. Hello people! Today, we have prepared an interesting tutorial for you. I'll show you how step-by-step you can create a poll on Telegram. Let's get started right away. Open the Telegram app on your phone. After that, find and open the group where you want to post the poll. Press the paperclip icon at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the window, you'll see buttons of different colors. Click on the poll button. In the first field, enter the question. Below it, enter the options that respondents can choose. In the option field, enter the first option. To add new options, press Add an option. Repeat the process as many times as you're adding options. If you want anonymous voting, enable the anonymous voting option by clicking on the toggle button next to it. Additionally, you can enable the option to allow multiple answers. If you want to do that, press the toggle button next to multiple answers. After that, press Create to finish creating your poll. As you can see, the poll is there. Whenever someone answers, you'll be able to see the number of responses and the percentage for each option. That's all for this tutorial. For more similar tutorials, subscribe to our channel and like this video.